In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for LearnWorlds on your PC with a quick and easy tutorial. Whether you're looking to create your own online course or expand your e-learning platform, LearnWorlds has a ton of powerful features, and signing up is a breeze if you know where to start. Stay tuned to the end because I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might actually work better for your needs, and we've got an exclusive offer for you. First things first, head to the LearnWorlds website. Open up your browser and search for LearnWorlds, or type the URL directly into your search bar. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to Start Free Trial right on the home page. This is your first step. Click that, and it will take you to the registration page. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. This is where you'll start creating your LearnWorlds account. If you don't have an account yet, just fill in your email and choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember. You'll also need to confirm that you're not a robot, just a quick CAPTCHA check to keep things secure. Next, after filling in your details, you'll have a chance to pick your role. Whether you're a course creator, a business owner, or someone just getting started, this step lets LearnWorlds know how to set up your dashboard. It's a simple drop-down menu that asks for your main purpose of signing up. Select what best fits you, and then click Continue. The fourth thing, once your email and password are all set, you'll be taken to a page where you can customize your account. You'll be asked for details like your business name, logo, and other branding elements. Don't worry if you don't have this all set up yet, LearnWorlds lets you skip this for now and come back to it later. But it's good to have these things ready when you're building your online course. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. LearnWorlds offers several tiers, from basic to advanced, depending on the features you need. Keep in mind that the features change depending on your choice, so it's worth looking at their pricing page to compare. But the trial gives you access to a lot of the essential features, so it's a great way to test the waters before committing. The next thing to keep in mind is setting up your payment information. Even though you're starting with a free trial, you'll still need to input payment details. This helps with seamless upgrades if you decide to stick around. Be sure to double-check the trial terms to avoid any unexpected charges. Once you're all set up, you'll land on your LearnWorlds dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up. You can start creating your courses, adding videos, quizzes, and all the interactive content LearnWorlds is known for. Their platform is user-friendly, but it's always a good idea to take some time exploring their tutorials and resources. Now, while LearnWorlds is a solid platform, it's not for everyone. If you're looking for something that's a bit more straightforward or perhaps has a more generous free trial, there are some great alternatives. For example, Teachable offers a great user experience with more built-in marketing tools. Kajabi, on the other hand, is perfect if you need an all-in-one platform for course creation, email marketing, and even sales funnels. So, if you're serious about creating and selling online courses, make sure to consider your needs. LearnWorlds might be right for you, but it's always good to compare before making a final decision. Before you go, here's the good news. We've arranged an exclusive deal for you. If you sign up through our link, you'll get an extended free trial of LearnWorlds, plus some amazing additional benefits only available to our viewers. But that's not all. We've also listed some powerful alternatives that offer free trials and might be a better fit for your goals. So, check out the links in the description, and happy course creating.